Are you considering shopping on chompshop.com? Before you place an order, let's take a closer look to determine whether this site is trustworthy. ChompShop positions itself as part of a movement promoting creativity and hands-on learning for kids and adults. Their mission is inspiring, emphasizing the joy of building and making things. On the surface, the website appears professional and polished, featuring clear, genuine-looking images. They've also linked active social media accounts, which is a positive sign, as it shows some engagement with their audience. However, digging deeper, there are a few significant red flags that raise concerns. First, the website does not provide any meaningful contact information. There's no phone number or physical address listed, just a generic email and a contact form. This lack of transparency can make resolving issues difficult if something goes wrong. Additionally, ChompShop does not include a shipping policy page. This omission leaves buyers in the dark about delivery timelines and procedures, making the purchasing process uncertain. Even more concerning is the absence of a return and refund policy. Without clear guidelines, customers have no assurance about how problems like incorrect or damaged items will be handled. Another major issue is the complete lack of customer reviews. For an e-commerce website, having no reviews, even on trusted third-party platforms like Trustpilot, is unusual and a potential red flag. While the images and social media activity give the site some credibility, the absence of customer feedback is concerning. In summary, ChompShop presents itself professionally, with an appealing mission and active social media presence. However, the lack of essential policies, contact details, and reviews cannot be overlooked. If you're considering making a purchase, proceed with caution. It may be wise to wait and see if the website establishes a stronger reputation over time. Always trust your instincts and research thoroughly before buying online.